What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be taking a look at the unlocked version of the LG Stylo 4. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so a lot of you have been asking me on Twitter, hey TechRight, you took a look at the Boost mobile version of the LG Stylo 4, you took a look at the Metro PCS version of the LG Stylo 4, but you have not taken a look at the unlocked version of the LG Stylo 4. So I was at Best Buy today and I saw this over there and it was $299. I guess this is the better specified version. So we're going to have, 1 more gigabyte of RAM, so we're going to have 3 gigabytes of RAM in here. Now the key features on this device is the 6.2 inch Full HD plus full vision TFT display. Now that's going to be 2160 by 1080p. We do have Android 8.1 Oreo installed, so we have that straight out of the box. We also have a 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor. For internal memory, we're going to have 32 gigabytes of internal memory, and once everything is said and done and set up and Android is set up, it's going to be about 21 gigabytes of available memory, and we're going to also have 3 gigabytes of RAM in this device. So if you guys are looking for a device with 3 gigabytes of RAM, obviously this is going to be unlocked as well. That's why, it's an extra $100 because it's unlocked. You can use it on any carrier, any GSM carrier that is. And the battery capacity in this device is going to be 3300 milliamps lithium polymer battery. So we have a 3300 milliamp battery in here. Pretty sure that's the same as the Metro PCS version. We also have a 13 megapixel PDAF single LED flash for the rear camera. And as far as the biggest feature on this phone, yes, we are going to have a stylus on this device. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this right now. Alright guys, so we have the device right here. Let's go ahead and flip this over, cut it open, and unbox it. Remember to always cut away from you so you guys don't get any injuries or cuts or anything. And definitely put the knife away and be safe before you start going into the box. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at the contents. So first and foremost, it looks like we get a very nice cleaning cloth, and it's going to have LG on there, so that's always pretty cool to clean the back of your phone and your screen. Next thing we have right here is the phone. Now this is going to be 6.2 inch Full HD. As I said before, stylus pen, 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of internal storage, and I believe the back is different on this device as well. It looks more premium. We have the quick start guide if that is needed. We have our fast charger right here. This is the thing I love about the Stylo 4. We get fast charging capabilities, and we also have USB Type-C on this device, so that's really, really cool. Now that was all we have in the box. Let's go ahead and take a look at the phone now. Plastic off real quick. Alright guys, so we have the phone right here. The other thing about this device is we do have Quick Charge 2.0 and we have Quick Charge 3.0. We have a Snapdragon 450 processor clocked in at 1.8 gigahertz in here. So if you guys want to know the Snapdragon, we do have 450 in here, which is decent. We're going to go ahead and power this up and take a tour around the phone, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you are familiar because you guys have the Stylo 4 maybe with Metro PCS, Boost Mobile, and or Cricket. So as you guys see right there, the top right, we have our notification light. Middle, we have our headset, and the left, we have a 5 megapixel camera. Now, as far as the 5 megapixel camera, it's going to shoot in 1920 by 1080p, so that is going to be full HD, 30 frames per second. For the front-facing camera, we also have autofocus and high dynamic range, which is pretty cool. As I said before, taking a look at the body even more, the back looks like it's going to be plastic, and the main body or the chassis around this body is going to be metal, and we are going to have a glass screen right there. Android's going to go ahead and start up. We'll give you a further analysis of this device. We do have a spaced volume up and down button right there, which is pretty nice to see. At the bottom left, we also have our SIM tray. At the bottom of the phone, we have our USB Type-C port. We have our noise canceling mic. We have a 3.5 millimeter head jack. Always nice to see that. And we do have our stylus right here. So it's pretty nice weight right there. Right side of the phone, we have a single power button, and top of the phone, we have a noise canceling mic. On the back of the phone, we have our 13 megapixel rear facing camera, our flash, and our fingerprint sensor. And at the bottom of all of that, we always have our little LG emblem. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and boot up this phone real quick. And again, I'm not sure if you guys knew this or not, but we do have 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi on here. So if you guys do have 5G on your Wi-Fi, that is going to work. Alright guys, so first and foremost, the screen looks very very nice. I think the only thing about this device that is different is the back of the device, the little design at the back, and this does have an extra gigabyte of RAM and it is fully unlocked. I think those are the only differences, really. But let's go ahead and take a look at this software really quick. As far as the software in here, we have Android Oreo, so Android 8.1 on this device. So we're promised this straight out of the box, which is very, very refreshing because a lot of these cheaper devices, mid-range budget devices, do not have Android 8.1, so very, very nice to see. Looks like we have the same setup on the camera as the LG Stylo 4, so you guys know that LG Stylo 4 camera is actually pretty decent. We're gonna go ahead and take a picture really quick and take a look at this, but the camera is pretty decent. Very, very fast focusing. 3, 2, 1, go. So yeah, we have a 13 megapixel PDAF rear camera, so that should be decent for all of your pictures. And look at that, colors are really, really beautiful on this. You guys can see the detail right there. You guys can see the box cut right there. So pretty awesome stuff. Camera is going to be very, very nice, you know, in well lit areas. As far as low lit areas, it doesn't do too amazing. You guys can see my full review on that. But the reason why I bought this device is because I want to put it up against even more phones. And as you guys know, with the LG Stylo 4 for Metro PCS, I kind of destroyed that device. So what I want to do with this device is put it up against some other devices that I think would be interesting to go up against. So yeah, pretty same stuff on this device. Very, very decent phone, as I said before. Let's go ahead and take a look at the stylus again. Stylus looks great. We got the pop memo, capture plus, GIF capture, pop lens. So if you guys want to use any of those, you guys can go ahead and do so. Stylus works as good as ever. You guys can go ahead and swipe down to go ahead and search some content, and it does show you some recently used applications right there. So pretty cool stuff on this device. Obviously this is going to be a good purchase. Did my full review on this device already, but I really, really like this device. I did very, very in-depth things on this, and now I just want to put it up against some other phones. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Pretty much the same thing as the LG Stylo 4 from Metro PCS. You guys already know the deal. The phone's an amazing device, especially if you got it in with that port-in deal. You guys got an amazing deal. But yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and pick this up, they do have a $250 version on Best Buy. We'll put that in the link in the description down below. Also, if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. Also hit that notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.